Every legacy begins with a single step. 30 years ago, a single showroom opened its doors in Andhra Pradesh. It wasn't just the beginning of a business, it was the beginning of a promise. We don't sell, we advise. In the 1990s, dealers weren't even allowed to touch a customer's car, except at the moment of delivery. But Varun Motors earned a different kind of trust. We were the exception. That trust became our foundation. From one showroom to 160 plus showrooms. From one city to 3 states. 160 plus showrooms, 120 plus workshops, 310 plus touch points, 10,500 plus employees. Every milestone we achieved, every award we received, was never just a recognition of performance. It was a reflection of the trust our customers placed in us. 10 lakhs plus happy customers. 21 times Maruti Royal Platinum dealer. India's #1 Maruti Suzuki dealer. Today, Varun Maruti stands among India's leading Maruti Suzuki dealerships. Not because of where we rank, but because of the relationships we've built, the promises we've kept, and the trust we've earned over the past 3 decades. 30 years of trust, millions of miles together.